slimy, stringy, hairy, planty, long leafy, gas bubbly. Well, gee, it's algae. Tasty and so fashionable. Combustible, constructible. Well, gee, it's algae. Who evolved more than 3 billion years ago, photosynthesizing like a flower? Who took sunlight and water and carbon dioxide and made oxygen so we can breathe? Well, gee, it's algae. Who oozed out of the ocean, gave a little tickle to dry land, and terraformed this planet by becoming plants and trees? Well, gee, it's algae. Algae come in crazy shapes and sizes. Seaweed is macroalgae. It can grow almost 200 feet and tangle around your ankle. And algae's tiny, microscopic. There's more microalgae in the oceans than stars in the universe. Amazing! Algae grows just crazy fast. In snow, in hot springs, on a turtle, in fresh water, salt water, and actually inside coral. We need algae to live because everybody eats algae or eats someone who does. Algae live in caves and in the desert, in the gonads of a snail, and in the fur of 3-toed sloths, so the sloths are green and you can't see them in a tree. Who babysits for sea otters when sea otter mamas wrap their little babies in seaweed so they don't drift away when mama's hunting lunch? Well, gee, it's algae. When algae grow out of control, it's toxic. Dead zones, red tide, all the coughing and hacking, and those poor dead fish. Well, gee, that's too much algae. But that's our fault, right? Washing fertilizer in the water, global warming. Who can fix it? Who can grab carbon dioxide and turn it into food? And sneakers, bricks to build a building with. Who can slow down cattle farts? A shockingly substantial cause of greenhouse gases. Well, gee, it's algae. Slimy, stringy, hairy, planty, long leafy, gas bubbly, tasty, and so fashionable. Combustible, constructible, who makes Earth habitable? Well, gee, it's algae.